What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seeing this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya, the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on and join the family. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. I'm just a regular showing you how I do what I do. I'm just an ordinary female showing you my procedure. Without further ado, let's get into the video. For today's video, we will need some cotton swabs, olive oil, acetone, nail polish, top coat, hand wash, nail brush, acrylic brush, cuticle pusher, buffer, nail files, acrylic liquid, acrylic powder, primer, nail cutter, container for the acrylic liquid, alcohol, nail glue, nails, and some napkins. First, I'm prepping my nails by pushing my cuticles back. Next, I'm slightly filing my natural nails to remove any excess oils or shine. Right after, I went ahead to prepare the fake nails for gluing off camera. So I applied the glue to my natural nail, then I pressed the fake nail on top. However, it's not carved in stone that that's the way you should do it. You can do it how you want to do it as long as your fake nail is fixed and properly secured on your natural nail. Ensure the fake nail is not too big. Ensure it is not too small. It needs to be just right or exact so it blends with your natural nails. I went ahead and did the others off camera, back with these. Now I am about to cut the nails to my desired length. By the way, guys, you will be seeing me go off camera frequently when it comes on to me doing my right hand because number one, I am right-handed, which made it a bit hard for me to record while showing you because most of the times that my right hand was in my face, like out of the camera. Number two, I was sitting in a really awkward position, so that made it even harder for me to show you guys. Now I'm ensuring that each nails are on the same level. Then you see me filing. I'm basically blending the fake nail with my natural nail. And guys, the only reason I'm using two nail files is I have really soft cuticles, so I usually just use a file that is not that rough to file the top of my nail or anywhere near the cuticle area to limit any damage being done. And the rough file, I usually just use that to shape the fake nail. So as I stated before, I will be using the rougher file to give my nails the shape I'm going for, which is the original square shape. So I won't be doing too much. I'm just filing the sides, taking my time filing the sides. As I get that desired square shape that I want, I proceed to the next finger. With these results after shaping, I went ahead and did the other hand off camera. Back with these. Now I'm adding alcohol to remove yet again any oils, shimmer or excess shine. Next I am adding my primer to begin my acrylic application process. Okay, so I went ahead and poured about a quarter of the bottle that I had of acrylic liquid into that black container you see there. So I apply my acrylic by ensuring that my brush is super damp. Then I tap it in the acrylic powder until I get a ball frame. I tap it on my nails, pat it down so it blends across my nail and the fake nail added. Again, damped brush, tapped in powder until I get the ball. I pat the ball figure down on my nail to cover where the fake nail meets with my natural nail, and I continue this process all over the nail until it is fully layered. Then I proceed to doing the other fingers. With the results looking like this, it's a bit shabby or crappy, but nevertheless, that will be fixed soon. I'm going to go off camera to apply acrylic on my right hand. Back with these results. I cleared the area and started filing the top of my nails. I will be filing the top of my nails until it is flat to my desire, because I don't like when my nails are thick. I like when they're really thin, so I usually just file it all the way down to my thin liking. After filing the top as flat as I like, I usually just go in on the sides to get that sharp shape of the nail. Then I start filing underneath to clear anything that's there, and also to get the nail looking more sharp and edgy. Then I file the tip for volume and body. Here I am going back in with my shaping technique because the nail wasn't that flat to my liking, so I'm just going back in to make it perfect for my liking, as well as doing my other fingers off camera. Back with these results, I am going to start buffing the nails to ensure that the surface are as smooth as possible for my nail polish application. Now I am going to be using the hand wash and the nail brush to remove any excess shaving particles. Next, I am applying the first coat of the white nail polish that I am using. If I make any mistake, that's when I used a cotton swab dipped in acetone to wipe away the area. After about 5 minutes, I started applying my second coat of nail polish. this is how they're looking so far. And after another 5 minutes, I started applying the top coat. After the top coat was dried, I went ahead and started moisturizing my cuticles with some olive oil. Now this is the end result, guys. I think I'm going to be doing an updated version because I feel like I could do much better, but leave positive comments. Walk good. Love you guys. Peace.